Esther and welcome. In today's video I am going to show you what I eat in a day. So currently I'm on a caloric deficit, so that means that I'm eating less than my body needs. So the recipes and everything I'm going to show you today, it's all a little bit lower in calories, a little bit low fat, high carb, high protein, so I tried to combine them. In today's video I wanted to show you one of my favorite recipes, my favorite breakfast recipe, and everything that I like. So I hope you don't like this video. This video is super important to my heart because the type of way that I eat now helped me to lose over 40 pounds, so that is a big deal, and I really wanted to share with you what I eat because it gives a better image to those who don't know what to eat when they're on a caloric deficit, to just show you what I eat and how much I eat, because sometimes portions are important and the way you combine the food is very important as well. Throughout my weight loss journey, I wasn't eating like this always. There were times when I ate something unhealthy, how the healthy gurus say, or I ate something that might have a bigger caloric amount. But I wanted to tell you that the way I eat now helped me to get a little bit more toned up, which helped me a lot. But at the first period of my weight loss, I was just exercising and I didn't really know what calories were. I didn't really know what should I eat, what I shouldn't, but I knew that I have to leave out sweets or sugary drinks or just snacking in general. So that helped me a lot to get through this process, and as I got deeper and deeper into it, I realized that there are so much more behind weight loss than I knew before. So definitely help me. If you want any type of videos on this subject, on weight loss and on my journey, how I did it, how it helped me, how I lost weight at home, because I'm not going to the gym, I do the things at home, as you're gonna see in this video as well. So if you want any type of content like this, tell me down in the comments below, because it would be such an honor to make something like that. So yeah, let's get into this. If you want any kind of content, comment down below which kind of content you want. Subscribe to my channel and also like this video if you enjoyed it. I try to do my best and to make the best content for you. So yeah, let's get into this. So I'm gonna make a oatmeal for breakfast, because I love oatmeal. This one needs only 3 ingredients, which is super cool. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going to measure out the oats in this saucepan. We're gonna put about 60 grams, which I guess it's a half a cup. I'm not really sure. So I'm gonna do that. Right on the mark. Okay, and now I'm just going to put the water in it and then put it on the stove. Perfect. I like to use one of these to just mix it in a little bit. Until my oats are cooking, I am going to chop off the banana and also measure out the peanut butter, because that's what we're gonna make. Peanut butter banana oatmeal. Just look at how bad this banana looks. Look at this. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's nearly done. So I'm just gonna add some of these weird pieces in to the oatmeal because I don't need all of it for the top. Just gonna go put a few. It's hard for me to say you love. Now I'm just going to mix it together. I don't think I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna put chia seeds on the top and a little shredded coconut. I'm gonna use this teeny tiny little spoon to put it on. And it's done! It looks so delicious. I cannot wait to eat it. It is so delicious. Look at this. So I'm just going to eat it now. That was so filling and I'm so glad that I ate it. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait a little bit and maybe edit some videos and then work out, and then it's time for my snack of the day, which I think it probably will be a protein shake. I just quickly wanted to update you on what I'm doing. I edited some videos and now it's about 10:20, so I'm gonna start working out. So I made this 8-week program that I have in my bullet journal. And it's my 5th week, so now it's gonna be lower body. So I have some stuffs here. Here is my equipment. I don't want to go to the gym today. I don't really go to the gym. I do it at home because I have everything. I have these resistant bands that I got from the Mias, and I have some weights for my training. That's kind of it. So hello everyone, I look horrendous, so don't judge my appearance. So, I just finished my workout and I am feeling pretty good. The endorphin hormones are growing, getting bigger. So this is the current protein powder that I use in the moment. It's from MyProtein. It's the Impact Whey protein. Oh my god. And it's called the Chocolate Smooth. It has about 19 grams of protein, 4.5 grams of BCAAs, and 3.6 grams of glutamine. And it's gluten-free, which is really good. So it tastes pretty good. I'm just gonna make my shake. So I use this shaker from Skitek Nutrition. I don't like it that sweet, so I just put in about 500 milliliters, a half a liter of water in here. Shake it up. Delicious. So in case anyone is wondering, I track my calories in the Lifesum app. So just go to snacks. We go favorites. Here I have a lot of weird things going on. Here's it, Impact Whey Protein, 1 serving and done. So yeah, I love Lifesum because it shows you everything that you need to know, how many calories you consumed, how many you have left, and also how much water you drank. I have to put in 1.5 liters. Pretty good. Also, I ate a fruit.
Yo guys, I'm back.
So, I'm gonna make my lunch now, and I wanted to make something easy and quick and delicious because I'm hungry like hell from editing all of those videos, and I am going to make a tuna salad. I'm gonna show you in a quick second what I'm gonna add and how I'm gonna make it. It's super easy, so you can make it. It's about 471 calories, so it's not a lot. I tend to eat smaller meals and always somehow go over my calories, or just, you know, reach them pretty fast. And I want to try out eating bigger meals and just maybe a little snacks here and there, just to make sure that I'm not eating over my calories and that I'm not doing anything bad for my stomach. So I'm making bigger meals then. Let's do it. Okay, so here's everything that I've got. I'm going to add some of these breadcrumbs in here. My dad made this earlier, but it's pretty easy to make. You just chop them up and then put it on the stove, a little bit of olive oil, so that's it. I'm also gonna add this can of tuna in there. I'm gonna chop up a tomato, 2 of these cute little red radishes, and a little bit of cottage cheese, and that's it. Okay, so I know it doesn't look the best, but I promise you it tastes amazing. So I'm done with my lunch. It was delicious, but it filled me up so much. So I'll probably just have dinner, or maybe a little piece of fruit for an afternoon snack. I'm not sure, but it was delicious, and I love making these salads because they have everything. They have good carbs, they have complex carbs like bread. This one was whole grain, so I'm good there. I love tuna, it's good protein, and a little bit of olive oil for some healthy fats. So it was delicious, and I'm so happy that I made this. You should definitely check it out because it was amazing. It's almost 3 p.m. and I decided to eat an apple. Okay, so I'm gonna make my dinner now. It's gonna be a zucchini frittata. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna put in it. So we're gonna put in 2 eggs, little zucchini, tomato, cottage cheese, and little pickles, because I love me some pickles. So I've just shredded the zucchini. I'm gonna add the eggs, a little bit of salt and pepper. So here are the eggs and the seasonings. This is how it looks like. I'm gonna add the cottage cheese now. Mix it together. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. It's looking good. So I cut up pickles and tomatoes. This is how it looks like so far. Voila! It's not looking the prettiest, but it's looking somehow. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this now and then see you when I'm done. Okay guys, so that's all that I ate today. I ate 4 meals, I think. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Let's roll to the end card. Okay everyone, so that was it. This is everything that I ate on the 2nd May 2019. I hope you liked it, and I recommend you try these recipes out because they are super delicious, and it was a good day. So I'm happy about that. Thank you so much for joining in my day and what I eat. And if you want any sort of content related to lifestyle videos, other what I eat in a days, or just anything connected to my weight loss journey, tell me down in the comments below. See you next time with another video. Bye!